It's been 2 years since we opened up the business. It's been awesome. I never thought I'll get this busy, so I had no choice but to extend the parking lot on the west side of the property because we had so many cars. There was no more parking lot to park, so pretty much had no choice. I mean, it's a good problem to have, but so let's go take a look. I'll show you what's going on. We should be able to pour some concrete on Thursday. They just about done with grading, and I'm very happy with it. It's going to be a huge parking lot. So we have this 2012 Mercedes Matic that it came on a tow truck with a wheel pointing this way. So the customer hit something really hard and broke the whole spindle in there. So got a used one from a salvage yard, and it got delivered by the insurance. So they authorized the work. So I'm gonna see if we can make it perfect again.
What we got here is a 2016, I believe, Jetta GLI. Really cool, 6-speed manual. He bought it from an auction and noticed that second gear is no more. It just sits there and you can just hear the synchros just eat each other up. So in second gear. So he got a transmission for us, and we're gonna swap this trans out for him and get this thing back on the road. I got the axles out, some of the box stuff out, like the battery, the tray, got the linkage already apart. So we got to go in the car, disconnect the steering shaft so we can drop the entire subframe out just a little bit to give us more room to wiggle this transmission out. So should be fun. Johnny, you trying to lift that thing up by yourself?
Well, I can probably drive it in with a
Hammer?
no, with the impact.
Oh, okay. I just don't know what bolts and nuts go where, so I'm just kind of like...
Oh no, I'll take care of it.
Okay. But those are in.
Yeah.
But the nuts are not behind it.
The nut behind it?
Yeah, they're just in it.
The nut behind the wheel?
Yeah.
John, I need your help here.
I can do that.
Help me press the spring down.
Oh, okay.
I need to push that shoe down just a smidge. Nope.
Nope. Can it go that way?
The same size. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah. This one works. So got everything all buttoned up. The lower control arm, oh boy, that was kind of a pain to do, kind of sketchy. But it's all back together. I just got a few more sensors to plug in and put the tire, and then hand it to John for an alignment. So, and then obviously it has to go to the body shop, but I'm done with it.
So this is our transverse engine support. Pretty much what it does is it holds the motor in place when we're doing a service job like this. Every once in a while we would use it on BMWs also when we do like oil pans and things like that, because we have to drop the entire cradle out. So it helps keep the engine in one spot and very safely. This is probably the best engine support I've ever used when working. Jonny definitely didn't cheap out on this one. It's got 4 points of contact, 2 in the front, 2 on the sides. Really helps it stable out. So when you're sitting there really yanking on trying to get a transmission out, or when you drop the suffering out, it doesn't feel like the whole motor's gonna come down on you, with you. Well, what kind of stinks is because now I'm gonna be like covered in brake fluid, but I wish it was like Mini or a lot of the BMW ones and some of the, even the Audi ones, that they're external slaves, so you can just pull the slave off and not have to like re-bleed the system. It's already bled, but it's okay. It is what it is. We'll just deal with it as it comes.
Hey, what am I doing?
Well, I'm doing some sketchy.
You want me to just spot you?
No.
Whoa!
Easy with it, easy with it. Okay, now go out. Alright, there we go. Alright, yes. Alright, you want to get some cardboard, and I'll hold this, we'll put it down on the ground. You pretty much have this whole thing. Was that heavy? Okay. You still pretty clear over there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, wait.
Just gotta get over that hump. Alright, Ben, how strong do you feel today?
Let's do it.
Because we'll just make sure this is here,
Yeah.
and we'll pick it up and kind of get it sort of in place, and then we can check this side up a little bit. Sounds good?
Sounds great.
All right, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
You going?
Hold on. Stay right there. Oh, hold on. Oh. Hold on. We need to rotate it.
Now put it in. It looks like you're in.
So, it went pretty smooth. We had a fight there for a little bit to try to line up those splines and push it in. And yeah, so we got her all snugged up, and now it's just time to put the rest of the bolts in, put the mounts in, and we'll be most of the way home. So, pretty easy job, not too bad. I like doing them, so that's why I guess Jonny kind of throws me all these now. But yeah, we should be running and driving here probably before lunch, I hope. So, what time is it? Yeah, probably before lunch. So I got about an hour. So, but alrighty.